This is the government which had promised that they would make the life of Goan easy. This is the government who had condemned the Congress government for high prices of essential commodities like dal, capsicum, tomatoes, onions. This is the government who had promised immediately they will bring the prices down. What happened to the assurances? BJP येल म्हणटकूच गोंया जशें तांणी आश्वासन दिलें की ते ताबडतोब पूर्ण करतले आनी गोंयच्या लोकांक सोय भितर वस्तू मेळटले, लोकांचें आनी गोंयकारांचें जीवन सुखी जातलें. पूण आयज आमी पळयलें जाल्यार Goans are fighting a losing battle in the state of Goa. कारी इतली वाडली आहा जितली एक सुनासतना आश्वासन दितली तिंगा सगळ्यांक यू टर्न जाल्लो आहा. आयज बीजेपी पक्ष म्हणटा आमी गृह आधार म्हणजे घराक आधार दितात, पण आमच्या महिलांनी पळय हाडलें आहा कर्मांचो गृह आधार म्हारगायेचो जाला फार. म्हणजे कर्मांचो घराक आधार म्हारगायेचो जाला फार आनी गोंयकार लोक आज बेकार आनी ताका लागून गोंयकार गोंय सोडून वचपाक प्रयत्न करता. To take care of the inflation which this government has created, only if they give 10,000 rupees a month, then it may be justified. I am just saying the cost of living is so high. The cost of essential commodities is spiraling, is skyscraping at a higher level.
Policy to curb inflation.
We have to bring a policy to curb inflation, and that is what Congress is going to do.